In today's video, we are going to learn about an important anti-corruption institution in India, Lokpal and Lokayukta. Let's start. Introduction. Corruption is one of the major problems that affects governance and public administration. To fight corruption at the highest level of government, India established a powerful institution called Lokpal at the central level and Lokayukta at the state level. These institutions were created under the Lokpal and Lokayuktas Act, 2013. Their main purpose is to investigate corruption complaints against public officials. History and background. The idea of Lokpal was first recommended in 1966 by the Administrative Reforms Commission. The word Lokpal means protector of the people. The first Lokpal bill was introduced in Parliament in 1968. However, the bill was not passed and it lapsed. For many years, several attempts were made to pass this bill. Later, in 2011, a nationwide anti-corruption movement, led by social activist Anna Hazare, created strong public pressure on the government to establish a Lokpal. Finally, in 2013, the Lokpal and Lokayuktas Act was passed by the Indian Parliament. What is Lokpal? Lokpal is a statutory body established at the central level. Its main role is to investigate corruption allegations against public officials of the central government. Lokpal acts as an independent authority that promotes transparency and accountability in governance. Composition of Lokpal. Lokpal consists of one chairperson and a maximum of 8 members. Out of these members, 50% must be judicial members, 50% must belong to scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, other backward classes, minorities, or women. The chairperson can be a former Chief Justice of India, a former judge of the Supreme Court, or an eminent person with high integrity and experience in public affairs. Appointment process. The chairperson and members of Lokpal are appointed by the President of India. They are selected by a committee that includes the Prime Minister, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, the Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, the Chief Justice of India or his nominee, and one eminent jurist. This process ensures independence and transparency in the appointment. Powers and jurisdiction. Lokpal has the authority to investigate corruption, complaints against the Prime Minister, Union Ministers, Members of Parliament, and all categories of central government officials, including Group A, B, C, and D offices. However, there are certain safeguards when investigating the Prime Minister. Lokpal cannot investigate matters related to national security, international relations, public order, or atomic energy. Lokpal can order preliminary inquiries and direct investigations through agencies such as the CBE. It can also recommend prosecution and take action against corrupt officials. First Lokpal of India. The first chairperson of Lokpal in India was Pinaki Chandra Ghose, who was appointed in 2019. This marked the operational beginning of the Lokpal institution in India. What is Lokayukta? While Lokpal functions at the central level, Lokayukta operates at the state level. Lokayukta is an anti-corruption authority that investigates allegations against state government officials. It deals with corruption cases involving the Chief Minister, state ministers, and other state government officials. Each state establishes its own Lokayukta through state legislation, so the powers and structure may vary from state to state. Difference between Lokpal and Lokayukta. Lokpal operates at the central level and investigates corruption involving the Prime Minister, Union Ministers, and central government officials. Lokayukta operates at the state level and investigates corruption involving the chief minister, state ministers, and state government officials. Lokpal was established under the 2013 Act, while Lokayukta is created through state laws. Important points for exams, for competitive exams, remember these key points. Lokpal is a statutory body. It was established under the Lokpal and Lokayuktas Act, 2013. The appointment is made by the President of India. The Prime Minister is also under its jurisdiction with certain safeguards. And the first Lokpal of India was Pinaki Chandra Gose. If this video was helpful, please like the video and share it with your friends.